Hello children, how are you all? So back again with our online video session. Today we are going to discuss about science lesson number 10, the wonderful body machine for class 3. All the third class students, take out your term reader, page number 131. So you can see this is the last lesson left in term 2 science. If you'll complete this, so our science term 2 portion has been completed. So yes, now last lesson relates to the body. What type of functions are there in our body and what type of things like brain, sense organs, skeletal system, these are the things which are present in our body which helps control and movement in our body. Okay, so yes, so the wonderful body machine. Like a machine, human body can also do so many things at a time. It works more than a modern machine. It can eat, drink, grow and reproduce. It can breathe, move, see, hear, smell, taste and touch. Body can feel and react to what is happening around it. So how the machine will work? Okay, but machine, it can also perform so many functions, but it needs what? Human support, human control. If you want to run a machine, then we need a human controller, so that to switch on or to switch off or to move a machine from one place to another place. So every machine needs what? Human activity. But human body is also not is also same like a machine. Also it can perform so many functions, like it can eat, it can drink, we grow right from a childhood, we grow younger and then older, then it can breathe, we breathe, we move, see how I'm moving my hands, we can see, we can hear, we can smell, taste and then touch. So our body immediately it feels and react what is happening around us. Okay, might be it can be a minor thing also which our body can feel. Even if someone is touching just with a pin, we can immediately react that something is touching on my skin. So even a small things we can feel and we can react to what is happening. How is it possible? It is possible because human body has many systems which work together. Each system has a special structure and function. It consists of many organs. Each organ is made up of special tissues. So how it is possible? Because our body has so many systems. Okay, that systems which will work together. So each system they have a special kind of structure. एक structure होता है और function होता है. हैंड का एक खुद का फंक्शन है कि हैंड से हम लोग क्या काम कर सकते हैं. लेग्स का एक अलग फंक्शन है, आईज का एक अलग फंक्शन है, ईयर्स का एक अलग फंक्शन है. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट सिस्टम्स, दीज आर द डिफरेंट organs of our body which has a different functions as well as so many functions. So each organ, it consists of organs and again each organ is made up of tissues. So each tissue again is made up of cells that are specialized to do similar job. Cell is the smallest working unit of the body machine. So yes, we have organs. Again that organs have tissues and that tissues are made up of cells. First one is a controller brain. What are the, it is at the top, and what are the function of this brain? All the systems and organs of the body work under the control of brain. The brain in head is connected with all the parts of the body through nerves. So yes, whatever the functions of the organs and of the systems are there, it is being controlled by the brain. Top to bottom हमारे body के जो भी functions है, the main organ is the brain. It is a controller, it is a supporter of the all the body functions. So brain is also called as a controller of the body functions. So brain which is in the head is connected with the body parts. Whatever the body parts we are having, the brain is connected with all the body parts. How? Through the nerves. Small nerves होते हैं, पतले सर के nerves, and that nerves is been connected right from the top till the bottom. The brain and nerves together are called nervous system. The brain receives messages through very sensitive nervous system and orders for reaction. So yes, brain and nerves together, when they are joining, brain is joining with the nerves throughout the body, and that is called as what? Nervous system. So what happens if I'm just pinching over here, okay, something I feel, and this message passes to the brain through the nervous system that in your hand something is going on. Okay, so that message immediately being passed to my brain, and then afterwards I will react कि क्या है वो, what is there which is biting to my hand. Okay, so this is how it functions. तो brain को messages receive होते हैं हमारे हाथ में, हमारे पैर में, या कहीं भी बॉडी पार्ट में अगर हमें कुछ भी होता है तो इमीडिएटली जो इसके अंदर नर्व्स है वो नर्वस सिस्टम ब्रेन को मैसेज पास करते हैं कि दैट समथिंग हैपेंड टू this body part, and then immediately we will start reacting. Then next, what? The sense organs. I think in the first class as well as second class you have learned about your sense organs. So what are the sense organs? Just remember it once: eyes, ear, nose, tongue, skin. Okay, so these are the different sense organs. So what are the functions of the sense organs? Let us see. The sense organs are window of the brain to the outer world. They send messages to the brain through nerves. The brain processes the messages to understand the kind and quality of picture, sound, smell, taste and touch or feelings. Brain also decides whether they are pleasant or unpleasant. So yes, sense organs is like a window. वो एक खिड़की की तरह है. Okay, to the outer world. तो ये जो sense organs है, these sense organs are not inside of our body. These are outer body parts. Like ear, outer, eyes, outer, tongue also outer body part, skin is also the outer body part. So that's what is called as a window of our body, because with the help of these outer body parts we can see the world around us. Okay, so yes, again this is also the same thing. The brain processes the messages through this body parts, and it passes a message to the brain that there I can see a bird. With the eyes I am seeing a bird, and this message is being passed to the brain that there is a bird, and immediately I react. Okay, so this helps to see the picture, to hear, to smell, to taste and touch. So brain also decides whether they are pleasant or unpleasant. अब सामने कोई गंदी चीज है, हम हमारे आईज से देखते हैं, बट इमीडिएटली हमारे ब्रेन को मैसेज जाता है कि ये अच्छी चीज है, ये गंदी चीज है. सो वेदर इट इज अ प्लेजेंट और अनप्लेजेंट, इमीडिएटली द ब्रेन डिसाइड्स. क्योंकि अगर ब्रेन डिसाइड नहीं करेगा तो वो अच्छी चीज हो तो भी हम उसके पास जाएंगे, अगर वो गंदी चीज है तो भी हम उसके पास चले जाएंगे, बिकॉज आवर ब्रेन डजंट डिसाइड्स. सो इट इज द ब्रेन which is deciding whether the thing or whether the outside wherever you are going is pleasant or unpleasant. गाड़ी आ रही है, immediately we will see, we hear the sound of a vehicle and we move backward. Why? Because immediately the brain decides and they tells us to react and move back. अगर brain का function बराबर से नहीं होगा तो यहाँ से भी गाड़ी आएगी और हम लोग भी जाएंगे and there is an accident. Okay, so this is how the brain helps us to react immediately. The tongue has different areas which help us to taste different things. The picture shows the division of the areas. So you can see the tongue. This is only for a tongue for us, but this is the tongue which helps to find out the salt, the sweet, the sour and the bitter. So 4 different types of taste the tongue can recognize, because there are different portions in the tongue. So with the help of that portions, immediately they can decide whether it is salty, whether it is tasty, or whether it is sweet or sour or bitter. Our entire body is covered with skin. Skin helps us to feel heat or cold, smooth or rough, light or heavy, soft or hard. The skin at the tip of the finger is most sensitive. There are many other systems in the body machine. So our entire body, this body is been covered with the skin like a blanket. जब हमें सर्दी होती है तो हम हमारी बॉडी को ब्लैंकेट से कवर करते हैं. सिमिलरली दिस इज द स्किन इज द ब्लैंकेट ऑफ आवर बॉडी. स्किन के अंदर बहुत सारे ऐसे नर्वस सिस्टम है, फंक्शंस है जो उसके अपनी बॉडी के अंदर है, एंड दैट फंक्शंस एंड दैट सिस्टम्स आर बीन कवर्ड विद द स्किन. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज द ब्लैंकेट ऑफ आवर बॉडी. सो दिस स्किन helps us to feel heat, cold, smooth or rough, light or heavy, and whatever the things are there around us we can easily feel with the help of our skin. So the skin of the tips of the finger is most sensitive, which reacts very fast. and there are many other systems also in the body machines, which you will discuss in the higher classes. Next is what? Skeletal system. All the 206 bones of a human body are joined together as a framework. This framework is a skeletal system. This system makes our body strong. It gives our body form, shape and support. It protects our internal organs. So our body, it consists 206 bones, okay, which are joined together as a framework. Like you can see, so there is one bone here, here one bone and here one bone, and these have been joined. Okay, so altogether it is called as what? 206 bones. So the system makes our body strong. You can see with the help of the skeletal system, our bones, with the help of the bones, we are strong. अगर हमारे body में bones नहीं है, so I can't even lift my hand. It will be like this. Okay, so because of the bones, we are strong enough. We can stand, we can sit, we can move our neck here and there. So I am moving my neck here and there because there is a bone present in my neck, which helps me to see right or left. So it gives our body form, shape and support, and it supports our internal organs. Internal organs like heart is there, kidney is there, livers are there, right? Rib cage is there. So this bones protects our internal organ. Okay children, so for today this much is enough. We have discussed about 3 things, that is brain, sense organ and skeletal system. In the part 2, I am going to explain you muscular system, circulatory system, breathing, digestive system, excretory system, reproductive system. So for today, go through these 3 bits about brain, sense organ, skeleton and watch my video. Read it and then watch my video. We'll meet soon with a new topic. Okay children, till then, goodbye and take care.